friends and welcome to my channel Anagha Mirgal Art Vlogs. So today I am inspired by beautiful skies and I want to make a painting based around that. Skies absolutely inspire me, especially the happy ones with fluffy clouds and stark blue sky. So I'm going to make a painting based around that. I want to make it colorful and I'm thinking of using pink, lavender and pastel shades. So let's see what we come up with. Alright, now let's select the colors. So we have this beautiful magenta shade. We will need a little bit of orange, purple. Again, these colors are absolute must. White. Lovely. Now let's do this. I'm using a 6x6 inch canvas. Let's start with purple and white for the base. Adding a little bit of blue. Let's wet the brush and spread the paint evenly. Felt like making the sky more blue, so I'm taking some cerulean blue again and mixing it with some white. I kept adding the colors till the whole frame looked balanced. So I have created the base with blue and purple and I'm going to let it dry for some time, and after this we will be making beautiful fluffy white clouds and over it we will add some pink shade. So I'm using this brush and some titanium white, and now let's make those beautiful fluffy clouds. I'll be making around 6 or 7 of these clouds and evenly distributing them on the canvas. Make sure that when you're making multiple objects in a painting, some of them are at the corners and are cut out, because that gives the frame a realistic look. And it also helps in creating some depth of field. So the base for the clouds is done. Now I'm using some magenta and some titanium white to give some pink highlight to the clouds. I'm using some purple color to make the base or shadow part of the moon. Now you'll be wondering why such a darker tone like purple for the moon. So I'm actually going to create a crescent moon, and the purple is only for the shadow or base part of the moon. Here is some titanium white, and with the help of a 0 number brush we are going to create a crescent moon. This looks more realistic than the simple crescent moon. Now with the help of the same 0 number brush and some titanium white, we are going to create beautiful stars. Keep adding dots of white all over the canvas and make sure you are painting them evenly. Paint some dots in bigger size and some in smaller. Take your beautiful time for this one, because stars are the cherry on top of any sky paintings. There are many tips and tricks to create stars in a painting, but for this particular artwork I wanted to paint the stars one by one. And finally it's done. It has turned out quite differently than what I intended it to be, but I absolutely love it. So starlings, that was it for today's video. I absolutely loved, I had a great time, and again this one too has put me in such a good mood. So I loved creating this blue, purple, pink sky. If you loved this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the next art vlog. Goodbye.